tayo sa nature na nating mga Pilipino, it's kung saan tayo mahina, doon natin pipilitin maging magaling. To the point na naging magaling na tayo doon sa bagay na mahina naman tayo to begin with, na-attach na tayo doon sa ininvest nating time, effort, money, etc. Na hindi na natin ma-let go yung hindi tayo. I'm going to give you an example. Diba, nung mga bata tayo, kapag hindi ka magaling sa math, anong gagawin ng magulang? Dadalhin ka sa kumon. Ipapag-tutor ka sa math. Hindi ka magaling sa English, okay, ikukuha kita ng tutor sa English para gumaling ka sa English. Like, we're so obsessed with trying to be someone who we are not. We're so obsessed in performing, you know, better than everyone. Dapat magaling ka sa lahat. Ayan. Magaling ka sa science, magaling ka sa math, magaling ka sa Filipino. So, what happens? Dahil nag-invest tayo ng time, energy, effort, resources, kapag gumaling ka na sa math, dahil doon, sa kapipilit maging magaling sa math, ang hirap na niyang i-let go. It feels like it's already a part of our identity. Diba? And guys, this is not just about subjects that I'm talking about. This goes way beyond school. So, if you can backtrack, ano yung mga bagay na naturally magaling ka na? And ano yung mga bagay na naturally nahihirapan ka? Okay? And if you will have a moment, you know, to think about it, to, you know, maybe jot it down na, ay, oo, dito ako magaling, dito ako nahihirapan. Just be okay with it without the intention of correcting it. Just observe it. Okay? So what we're going to do today is pure observation. Wala tayong i-correct. I want you guys to observe yourself and to really come up with your own self-conviction na, eto nga talaga ako. Hindi nga talaga to natural sa akin. Because when you arrive with your own self-conviction, that's when you will memorize your own human design without having to memorize it. Does it make sense?